This is a quick walkthrough of problem 9 on the cash flow chapter. It's also labeled foundational problem 1312. We're asked to calculate the amount of gross cash outflows reported in the investing section of a company's cash flow statement. Let's take a look at what we're given regarding plant, property, equipment. We're told the beginning balance is 175. Boom, there's the 175. Ending balance is 186. And if we knew nothing else, we would say we had to have made purchases of $11,000. That's how we would get from 175 to 186. And we would show that as a negative cash outflow minus $11,000 in the investing section of our cash flow statement. But wait a second. We're also told something about selling some equipment. We sold a piece of equipment for $37.50 that had originally cost $7,800. Wait a minute. When we sell equipment, we need to take that asset off our books. So if we reduce equipment by $7,800, we clearly see we're not going to get the balance of 186. 175 plus 11 minus 78 would put us at 178,200. Doesn't work. So clearly we had to purchase more than 11,000. We had to purchase 11,000 plus that 7,800. We had to purchase 18,800 in equipment. And there's where we get it. We had purchases not of minus 11,000, but minus 18,800. Let's also take a look at our depreciation expense. Normally, if we began the year with accumulated depreciation of $43,750 and our ending balance is $62,000, we would have said we had depreciation expense equal to the difference between these. The 62 minus the 43, we would have said we had depreciation expense of $18,250. So we would report $18,250, of course, in the operating section of our cash flow statement. But wait a minute. When we sold this equipment, we took the cost off the books. We also need to take off the accumulated depreciation. And in this case, our accumulated depreciation was $5,200. So clearly, our depreciation expense couldn't be $18,250 because the 43 plus the 18 minus the 5,200 gives us 56,800. So this can't be 18,250. It has to be the 18,250 plus the 5,200. So our depreciation expense wasn't 18,250, but rather 23,450.